What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So, for starters in this video, I want to go ahead and address that I'm just trying something new. So, try to look beyond that. What's this video about? So, if you've been following my Instagram, you know that my wife switched up her Acura RDX. If you are not following my Instagram, then you know that at one point I had a blue RDX A-Spec on the channel. That was my wife's car. She has since traded up her car. I would say it's a good trade up. And she's gotten something that I feel is very, very nice and worthy of documenting and modifying. So with that said, let me go ahead and spin the camera around and show you what we're working with. So what you see is a 2023 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum Edition. It is in the Baja Storm in gloss black two-tone color. The other option we were looking at was a Rock Creek version, which was the off-road version that had a lot of the chrome accents that are on this blacked out already. But I figured if we were going to go with an SUV that we wanted to have fully equipped with all the bells and whistles, the Platinum was the way to go, and I would just fix the chrome later on. It's powered by a V6 VQ35DD, and it is an all-wheel drive chassis. Just want to get a little walk around of the truck here. So overall, it's been 3-4 months since we've owned it, and I have zero negative things to say. It runs flawlessly, performs flawlessly. Overall it's just a great SUV. So if you're in the market for an SUV, I highly encourage you to look at these Nissan Pathfinders because they are they're really, really nice. What was on the truck that was chrome that I've already messed with? So the emblems that are on the back here, those were in chrome. I went ahead and hit those up with Plasti Dip's new gloss black dip, and actually upon completion of the spray, these actually feel like plastic emblems. They don't feel like Plasti Dip whatsoever, so that came out really, really nice. I was really impressed with that. The other area on this truck that was chrome, which is also black on the Rock Creek edition, is you got these little center inserts here on the lower kick panels. Those are chromed out. I did Plasti Dip those in the matte black. You got the chrome trim that goes along the windows that I do have vinyl to fix. And then on the interior, since I'm here, I'll go ahead and show you that beautiful brown and black leather combo that this thing has inside with the brushed aluminum trim. Really is a beautiful interior too. Seats are glorious. And then, like I said, the back also has the captain's chairs with a nice little center console in between. I did remove the center console just for ease of access to the third row, but there's a nice little console that goes right here. It's got 2 cup holders in it. It's really nice. And overall, it's very roomy in the back. As you see, there's a lot of space back there for activities, for storage, for goods, whatnot. So now that we covered that, last big chrome thing on the front of the truck here was this front grille. Now the Rock Creek edition does come with an all black grille, but at a $300 to $400 price tag. And I really wasn't wanting to spend that kind of money just to black out some chrome. And I didn't really want to use vinyl because there are a lot of deep recesses on this chrome grille that I was just afraid I wouldn't be able to get into. So what I ended up doing, I went on eBay, of course. I only found one company that makes a gloss black overlay kit for the Nissan Pathfinder 2023-2022 model front grille. I'm going to go ahead and set the camera up on a tripod, take a look at it, and get an assessment, test fit, and hopefully by the end of this video we'll have this installed and I'll have that chrome trim you saw on the windows blacked out with vinyl. So let's dive into it. Alright, so now that I can see this is all mocked up and there are no real weird gaps anywhere, I am feeling pretty good about this overall. Due to how deep these grooves are on the backside here, I did have to remove all the red backing as you see.
It definitely wasn't going to be easy pulling that red backing off the tape as I went around the grill bit by bit. So hopefully I can set the landing here, align the tops, and press it into place slowly as I go around, and get it right on the first time. I'm not certain it's going to be that easy, but I am consciously optimistic, so let's see how it goes.
Alright, so now that the grill's done, I think I'm going to go ahead and pull the car in a little bit more. And then I already have a video up showing how I do chrome deletes on trim. So I think I'm just going to put this thing on general time lapse and let you just see me do the process. Moral of the story, real quick, I wipe it all down with ice purple alcohol, get all the dust and debris away. I roll the windows down. I measure the distance that I need across, cut the vinyl, lay the vinyl, and then slowly smooth it out as I go, trimming the bottom edge and top edge along the middle seam on both top and bottom. Then on the end, I give it just a little bit of extra vinyl and I cut onto the plastic piece. So that way as I heat the vinyl will shrink inward, covering up just the chrome and not coming too far in and causing the chrome to be visible. So now that I've said that, I'm gonna do the same thing for all 4 pieces of trim and get this knocked out and show you the result once it's all done. Now to repeat the process on the passenger side. And that's going to do it for this video. So, we did get rid of all the chrome that was on the Pathfinder that my wife wanted to get rid of. We did vinyl wrap on the window trims, the glossifier dip on the back logos, and the matte dip on the lower trim. And then I threw on that ABS overlay cover for the front grille, which I will link in the description below in the event that is something you want to do for yours as well and not pay the $300 to $400 markup for the Rock Creek grill. It's a really good alternative, and as you saw, it looks really, really good. Why manufacturers correlate chrome with their higher line production vehicles, I'll never understand. I see more people blacking this stuff out or removing it than I do actually adding more to it. But there must be a reason, so I'm not going to question it. I just don't get it. That said, go ahead and get in the garage, start working on some other stuff I have laying around, If you are enjoying the content, please like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. And with that said, I will see all of you again on the next one.